Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the Forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Australian dollar, US dollar, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar Japanese Yen for 3rd March 2021, Wednesday. So this analysis is for today only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So you can see that right now I'm in the 4 hours time frame and the market is trading at 106.88, and if you see that market is in nice uptrend. Okay, though up down there's there, but market is in uptrend. Okay, so what can be the strategy for US dollar Japanese yen for today? Okay, see, for me, for a trader like me, the area of value is always around this support in case of buy, and area of value is nearby the resistance in case I want to short it. Okay, but in a trending market like this where market is making higher highs, see, market is making higher highs, so we should not go for, or we should not look for selling opportunities. Okay, because this is a trending market. So in case if we want to buy here, but area of value, this area of value is very far away. Okay, very far away. So what we can do here? Okay, so this is kind of tricky position if we want to initiate a trade here, because it may or may not come to the 15 moving average to take support. Okay, so this is a tricky position. What we can do here, we can switch to the 1 hour time frame here. Okay, we can simply switch to the 1 hour time frame and initiate a buy position above this line. Okay, and we can keep our stop loss just below this. Okay, this point 106, around 106.65 or 62. Okay, this can be our stop loss. Initiate a buy position here, because in that case in 1 hour time frame we are getting our area of value. In this trade our risk to reward ratio matches, but in the 4 hours time frame it was kind of tricky. Okay, market was not coming down to the 4 hours time frame, and it was not matching with the area of value. So we can switch to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, in 1 hour time frame also we can see that it is beautifully respecting the 50 moving average. It is taking support, so we can initiate a trade just above this line, or at 107 level, keeping our stop loss below the 50 moving average. Okay, so this is how we can solve the tricky issues. So this is the simple analysis of USD Japanese Yen for 3rd March 2021. If you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. If you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.